glue in, and the activator doesn't count. Let's bring Leia in. Come on, Leia. Oh, hi. Hi, guys. So we dyed our hair, so I'm going to be picking your slime and mine. Yes. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. I put beads inside. Yes, whatever. Let's start. So what are we going to do first? Glitter? Yeah. Okay, but here's your spoon. Here's your knife. I don't know. So the glitter that we have for me to pick for her slime ingredients. No cheating. So where did I put my face mask? Face mask? Okay, so I'm going to be wearing a face mask to pick her slime ingredients. So the first round is going to be glitter. So the first glitter that we have is pink. And then white. Yeah. So you have to mix it up. Mix it. I mean. You're cheating on your. Ow! What number am I holding? 3. No. What are you holding? 8. Okay, whatever. Just go. I hope I picked the right one. Which one do you want? White. White? Okay, I'll try to pick white for you. Hey, where's the 2? It's right in your hand. This is fun. Is the glitter falling on me? No. This one. No. This one. Thank you. Oh, I got white! And I'm adding it. Ow. Not all of it, though. I'm not going to add all of it. Maybe I am. Maybe I'm not. Okay. That's nice. No. You have to wait to mix at the end. No. So, next round is going to be food coloring. So the 2 things, because I picked 2 ingredients that are not really good. It is green and black.
I want black.
Let's see what she said. You want black?
I don't want any color of it.
Okay, whatever. So, yeah. So I could only
get black. I don't like green.
You could only switch it like this. So like, if I pick like.
So I'm allowed to go like this.
Yeah, and then I have the minute I touch like something, because it's like not the same color. Okay. You know what we'll do? I'll take the cover out. I'll take the cover off, and whatever cover I get is the cover.
Don't make it spill. Put it on that thing.
Yeah. Okay. 3. Let me go. No. I don't want to get my hands. So yeah. Let's go.
Okay.
So whatever I touch, you put something over it, so it makes me like whatever I touch for like the last minute, then like to make the same size, like that. Perfect.
But now you're gonna definitely
No.
You're already.
Ow. Well, Eva,
It's your fault.
it's not my fault.
Eva.
It's
Did
your
you wipe it
fault.
on my pillow?
No, I didn't. I didn't wipe it on your pillow.
You wiped it on the carpet?
No.
Yeah, you did. It's right there.
Okay, fine. I wiped it on the carpet because I didn't have anything else, and I don't want to have this. No. Whatever. Who cares? Okay, let me pick. Don't move. Let me pick. Okay.
Wait. Go.
This one.
Oh my god.
What is it? No. Oh yeah.
No!
What is it? It's green.
It's green!
It's okay.
I don't like you.
Ow. What? Okay, fine. You could have the black then.
No, you pick green, Okay.
You picked green. I picked green.
I wanted black.
I'm sorry. It just came over my head. So I picked green.
Please don't be no more. No more, please, no more.
I could get food coloring.
Please, no more. Please, no. Yes, food coloring.
Okay.
Get food coloring. I'm gonna go get it and pick.
Okay, fine. She's mixing.
No, what was the next ingredient?
Foam beads.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Foam beads. So the next ingredient is foam beads. So the other one was foam beads. Now it's foam
So now I
beads.
don't really care which one you pick, but I really want the rainbow.
So the kind of foam beads that we have is rainbow foam beads and pink foam beads.
That's mine.
Hey, no, that's mine. I got it today. Yeah, today we got a lot of packages with toys,
So that's why we have a lot. She got a slime kit.
I got a slime cable full of ingredients, so I can't wait to try it. But
That's why she has all this stuff.
yeah,
Ready?
Three.
Close your eyes.
oh. Don't mix it. Don't like let it explode. Okay, my turn. My
Go.
turn. I think I'll get this one.
Thank
Oh, I
you.
got the pink one.
I really don't care which one you pick.
Are you kind of trying?
Not enough.
Yeah? Wait. That was... Wait. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, guys. No,
Okay.
no, I'll stay here. I don't need to.
Oh, 1 minute. I'll go check out the car.
So the uncle just got a new car. I'm coming. Our uncle just got a new car. So our uncle just got a new car, and yeah, he got a new car, and he's like, and then our cousin just went to I don't know, but they went to come show us to the car, and yeah, so yeah, that's all you need to know. Pink foaming! I'm getting outside. Let's dance while she's on. Oh, guys, make sure to go check out Mia's channel, Life of Brothers. Make sure to go check it out. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then yeah. Before she makes it to slime, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment. Woo! Guys, we got so excited with the cousins. So I already told them because that our uncle got a new car.
Yeah, but better. Because of that mold, they might come here. Even at Jamie and Uncle Nick.
Oh my God! Sleepover! Woo woo! Sleepover! Woo woo! Woo! Okay, now start mixing because I already told them that they got a new car. I can't wait. Let's see it.
Ooh. I want more food coloring.
Okay. I'll put the food coloring for you.
No, what are you doing?
I like green tonight. And then add a green food color.
I don't have enough foam beads.
You want more foam beads?
Yes,
Okay.
please. Pink ones were not allowed to change colors.
No. I'm gonna put it. Okay, that's enough. Are you ready to activate?
Yeah.
So,
guys, this is what the slime actually looks like.
look, show them. Let me show them. So this is what the slime that she has. Look at it. It's a nice alien slime.
Guys, the best part of it is that look at this.
Time! Now to activate it.
You
Come
can't
on.
even see it dripping.
Come on. Let's go.
I'm ready.
And make sure to don't play with it for 2 days so it can clear up. Now go. If you need help, call me. I really need
Yeah, I know that. What is going on?
It's mixing. You just need a lot of activator. But just to tell you, if you guys are activating your slime right now, make sure to put a little bit at a time. Right?
Give
And
me
if
more.
it's not activating, little bit more. Again, let's continue until it stops. Like, yeah, a little bit more.
On. Stop now. Are you trying to overact actually, Mike?
No.
Are you trying to overact?
No.
Yes, you are.
I just really want to make slime.
And you know you're not going to be able to touch it
Why?
because you never let me touch yours.
Whatever.
So we each have our own
Really?
slime.
Really?
Yeah,
Just
for
because
real.
of it?
Yeah.
That you're gonna have a sleepover?
Yeah, just because of it. If they have to spray it in the house, then they're going to have to come here and do a sleepover. Even
For
at
one day.
for like until the spray goes away. It might be like 2 weeks
Sleepover?
or something
Oh.
like that.
But how about school?
No!
But how about school?
Auntie Amy and Uncle Nick are going to drive Alyssa out. Baba's going to drive us.
Okay.
You think we have a lot of, we have 4 parents, we have 4 kids.
Oh no, there's no school for like a month.
Yeah.
Guys, please stay safe at home. We are really bored. I know you guys are really bored, but please stay safe. You don't want to get the virus. And
You can go for walks or anything.
no. It'll be no. So so please stay safe. Don't leave your house unless
Guys, come on.
if you leave your house, then wear a mask on or like use like something.
But please don't go on vacation.
You're not allowed.
No. Okay, guys, so this turned out really stupid.
I'm gonna go close the door.
Oh
my God.
Did you get hurt or something?
No. Your slime is good, Emma. Here you go. I got really hurt. I slipped on.
Are you okay? So
I'm never doing that again.
So just pass it. So we guys have like a line, so we don't go on each other's side. Yeah.
Right
I don't like her barging in. She even does that. But this is my side for a reason, and on the other side it's all slime, and over here too is all slime and books.
Can I try?
And the bed. I have a bed. You don't have a bed. Boom.
Whatever. Can I try?
No.
Emma, I'm the judge, so I have to go
No, wait
touch it.
until I'm done.
Okay. Whatever. Is your crunchies?
Let's see the pokey. Wait, hey! Give it! Now!
Okay.
Now!
Oh, I spilled activator on the floor. Get the activator.
No. Guys, hear that. Shh. I have hair in my mouth. Okay. Hey, stop it!
This is nice and activated.
Wait, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, shh.
Look at this. Hear this.
There, that's
Oh my God,
no, don't move on your hair. Nope.
Let me just clean the bowl. Let me clean the bowl.
At least. Can you go get me a plastic bag?
You're kidding, right?
No, I'm not kidding.
You're kidding.
No, I'm not kidding. Go get me a plastic bag. Leia picks my slime ingredients. That's why I get to boss you around.
Here.
Yeah. For all day, I need to boss you around.
No, you're not bossing me all around, or else I'm gonna tell. Or else I'm gonna shoot. It just fell on the floor.
Sorry.
You and me go great together.
You and the beat go great. You and me and the beat go great. This is
I
a
like this
sentence.
slime.
Isn't this in the sentence?
No, I don't know.
You and me
Go
and the, you and me and the beat go great together. You and me.
Comment down below if you like her singing, right? And
You
comment down
and me
if you like
and
Emma's
the beat
slime.
go great.
I really like it. Oh, it's okay. Wash this off. I'll wash this off. So this is Emma's.
You and me and my friends because I don't like you.
That rhymes, I think.
No, because I don't like you.
Come on, that's me. Please.
No.
But look how stretchy it is.
Look at this bubble that I'm gonna make.
Eva, how much thumbs up do you need for for you to like me?
100.
So please hit 100 thumbs up, and
please don't hate and don't be rude.
Don't be rude. But I'm gonna try for a little challenge this time. Hit that subscribe button. Do it with your nose. I want to see. Comment and if you hit the subscribe button with your nose, then tell us. Like comment down below if you did.
And if you did, then I'll say nothing.
Then we are very proud of you.
Yes, and maybe we're gonna give you a slime.
No.
Yes,
No.
I will, because I don't really play with slime.
Whatever.
Guys,
Well,
if
thank
you
you
guys
for
didn't
watching.
see- Wait. If you guys didn't see, we got like a lot of toys today. My brother just got something so crazy, and it's amazing. You guys should go check it out on Amazon.
Guys, look. Whoa! I just slipped again. Look, this is the slime.
Guys, so
This
hey,
is the slime.
bye. We'll see you
No.
later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit this. Make sure to